Well, here we are. Me, Joe Price, my wife, Renzo, Luciano. We are at the Iceman Museum, the culmination of my work for many years, creating the Pathfinder system, the 5 and 10 Cs, has come to light today. I'm going to give you guys a tour of the museum while I'm here as well. Stay tuned. So, here we are at the Otzi Museum, and they're playing the movie of where Otzi was found. And I just found out today, up here on the wall, the actual date that Otzi was found in 1991 is my own birthday. Special connection with Otzi the Iceman.
I suoi tatuaggi. Due righe qui. Anche le righe di cadavere. Questo suo corpo visto da dietro. Guardalo, io lo so tesoro, è molto in posizione.
Okay, so we just walked over and paid our respects to the actual Iceman. Now we are looking at his tools and his gear. Here with Renzo and Joe, Luciano, my beautiful wife Iris somewhere out here. And I will take some pictures to show you of the individual items he carried.